I mean, the research materials you guys provide give us the bio on the particular individual, and then we can dig into the company and say, oh, I didn't know that about XYZ company. So it's really not a whole lot of time, because you guys do a good job of kind of putting it on a placemat for us, so we can just take a quick scan, take a look, and kind of know who we're speaking to and learn something about the company that either we didn't know at all or we're unaware of. Sometimes we listen, sometimes they want us to tell our story. Each one's a little bit different, but they all round out to the same thing in terms of what they're looking for, what our capabilities are. And then, so it's interactive in terms of us trying to understand what their specific needs are and them trying to understand what our specific services are. So with our services, we have a broad offering for us as a small company, and we are able to check a bunch of boxes. And as we go through our capabilities and our services, we're usually capable of intriguing somebody with those offerings. I mean, if someone has a very specific service, that could be a little harder. Then they'd have to be matched up with someone that really is looking for what they offer. I mean, our superpower has been all the cross-functional capabilities that we have. It's all capability based. You know, as you are explaining to them what you do, and you find that common ground, and then you know, I hate to say exploit it, but you focus on it. So that has been harder. It's circumstance based. You've got to really find the need. You know, the other thing I will say is that you know, in the trade show world, you might not know anybody, but you have this trade show relationship. And at your summits, you know, we've met people once, twice, and it stimulates the relationship, so to speak. So it gives you that next point of contact, that next opportunity. Oh, so I mean, it's such a networking event. I mean, even if you don't have a one-on-one scheduled, you may look in the program and see someone you really want to speak to, and you can search them out. You can, you know, maybe you have lunch with them, maybe you can have dinner with them, maybe you can set up and have drinks later, or just trying to chat them up while you're having coffee. So the opportunities, multiple opportunities to meet people. It's almost like let's go back to college. Your professor that you have for whatever class, they've assigned a book that they wrote. Well, you better read that book. So the more you know about the person that you are trying to target, the more informed you are, the more insight you'll have, and you know, when the speakers are up there presenting, you'll gain a lot of insight into what's important to them and what they're thinking about.